All right, here it is. Here's the trail.
Good show for the rest of my life.
Yeah, Steve. Yep. Here we go. First step. Welcome.
Take it, John. Take it.
First step of many. It's pretty steep, Steve.
Yeah.
It's not gradual. Let's just take a look back. See the ground we've covered.
Not much.
It's pretty treacherous.
Actually, I'm gonna take a picture of this.
There you go.
Look up here. Look at that. Like Ricky.
I'll take another one. Yep, it's quite the trail.
I'm gonna take a picture of you.
Quite the view.
I'll send it to you here.
Let's trek onward.
Yep. I'm trying to look for a really neat stone that sticks out to me so I can take it.
And there's a lot to choose from. Man, working our way up this crag right now. I mean, it looks, if I had to choose what a crag is, this would fit the bill. And just want to state now, we're not on the trail. We've gone off. That view is something else though.
Yeah. I heard that the views get better once we keep going.
Alright, but
you can probably expect that the locals here are just fucking like mountain goats. Just...
oh yeah, fast, you know. What's that movie? Lone Survivor?
Lone Survivor, like kids just fucking hopping and skipping and shit. Oh damn, look at that.
There's a nice little view. Yeah, let's poke our noses up there. Wow. That's something else. Almost got vertigo. Just fall right off. That's crazy. That's mountainous. Are we on the trail or is this? Yeah, there's a little flag.
Just following.
It's pretty good. Kind of rethinking bringing this water bottle.
I'll carry it for you.
No. It's just good. Across the old pipe.
My heart, my lungs acclimated.
Oh, look at that little hole. Look at a little wind tunnel. Yeah. Little teacup in there. Nice. Wow, look at this view. You just fall right off, huh? Yeah, I feel like our bodies are just getting acclimated to the mountain life.
Now I feel a little better.
Yeah. It's also not like a 45-degree angle. I wonder if banging on this thing kind of affects their water pressure somewhere.
Yeah, it's just like somebody's up on the trail. Oh, here we go, man.
Kind of opens right up. Do a little wash here.
If that pipe wasn't there, that'd be really dark.
It would be. Kind of ruins the shot though.
Yeah.
Just got a random pipe. Got a little desert cactus on you.
Yeah, a little rock.
Oh, all this is. Got lots of bugs here. Is that cable? Yeah.
Is that a cable?
Yeah.
That's a good sound.
What?
That's a good sound, right?
Yeah.
Look at all these like little holes and trees.
Yeah. I wonder what that's from. Look at that. Well, that one has a bunch of rocks up in it. It's like someone's doing that.
Yeah, somebody like did that on purpose.
What is that? What is that?
You want to check it out?
Oh, really?
All right.
Well, depending on how this turns out, this camera will probably act as a.
See what?
This camera will act as a last record of what transpired and what ultimately led to our demise.
Yeah, look, I think people they stack rocks.
Oh, yeah.
I want to do that.
It's pretty cool.
I want to stack a rock.
Oh, right now? Okay.
I just don't know which rock to stack.
Flat one. Stackable wall.
What about
Stackable rock. Perfect. Yeah, be like, oh. Trying to whistle. Something else.
Yeah, you and me are already hurt.
A little greenery. I thought they were like little berry looking things.
Almost looks like Snapdragon.
Yeah. Oh, snapdragon?
Kind of.
Or a ladyfinger.
Ladyfinger?
Yeah, you never seen one of them? Pretty interesting flower. Look at that. What?
When I slipped once, you were like, Steven, I can't take it. Without any hesitation.
I'm not going to be able to carry you out of here.
Free face.
This whole adventure. We could probably sneak up there, actually.
You want
See that? Yeah, let's go. Choose your own adventure. Carefully walk through this undergrowth. Oh, we got another hiker.
He's just walking.
Nice seat. Oh. Pretty cool.
Trying to see where our cutters are. Probably on the other side.
Yeah, they're behind the mountain, I think. Well,
Get up to.
what, up there?
Yeah.
I don't know about that.
Can
That's far.
you mind waiting for me or like?
I mean, go for it.
I would love for you to join me. Like I said, it's not a race.
Yeah. Alright, let's check it out. I mean, we just climbed up right there.
This one's higher.
Steve, I don't know if they like you walking on their natural fauna here.
We're gonna do a race. Oh yeah, this is doable.
Yeah. I'm gonna set my bottle down, I think. Just gonna leave it. Alright. Yeah? Oh, I'm on my way.
Save you this spot. Hey Dan, you take this one. I'll take this.
Whoa! Yeah, that's. Look at that, see?
Ain't that dope, Dan?
It is, look at it. Is that a trail down there? I'm not gonna throw a rock. Look at you, sitting around the edge. That's huge. That's a huge drop.
Dan, this would be dope if like